Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we do the hard work so you can buy smart. Today, we have a robotic showdown between two eufy robot vacuums, the slim and silent eufy RoboVac 11S Max and the high-tech, turbocharged eufy X8 Pro. Let's dive into this epic vacuum battle and see which one will suck better. First up, we have the RoboVac 11S Max, coming in at a wallet-friendly $249. That's like buying a vacuum and still having money left over for pizza night. On the other hand, the X8 Pro is priced at a whopping $649. For that price, it better clean my house, cook me dinner, and maybe even sing me a lullaby. The RoboVac 11S Max is a sleek little ninja with a slim 2.85 profile. It's so quiet you might forget it's even cleaning, perfect for those midnight snack runs without waking the whole house. Meanwhile, the X8 Pro is like the Hulk of robot vacuums, featuring a pro detangle comb that removes hair automatically. Because who has time for manual labor these days, right? The 11S Max can run up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors. That's like binge-watching an entire season of your favorite show while it does all the work. And thanks to Boost IQ technology, it knows when to kick it up a notch. According to Amazon reviews, users love its quietness and ability to fit under furniture. Now, the X8 Pro is a beast with powerful 2 by 4,000 pascals twin turbine suction. It can deep clean your carpets and leave them pet hair-free, making it a favorite among pet owners. Reviewers praised its efficient cleaning patterns and strong suction power. The RoboVac 11S Max comes with a remote control and some nifty features like anti-scratch tempered glass top cover, infrared sensors, and drop sensing tech. However, it lacks smart features, which some reviewers noted. But the X8 Pro takes it to the next level, with customizable AI Map 2.0, no-go zones, and iPath laser navigation. It's like having a NASA rover clean your living room. Reviewers were particularly impressed with its smart capabilities and ease of use. The RoboVac 11S Max is pretty low maintenance. It self-recharges and comes with a 12-month warranty. Reviewers appreciated its ease of use and low maintenance needs. On the other hand, the X8 Pro promises 45 days of hands-free cleaning. You can practically go on a month-long vacation and come back to a clean house. Just replace the 2.5L dustbin every 45 days, which reviewers found convenient. Overall, Amazon reviewers find the eufy RoboVac 11S Max to be a quiet, efficient, and budget-friendly option, perfect for smaller homes and apartments. Meanwhile, the eufy X8 Pro is praised for its powerful suction, advanced smart features, and convenience, making it a top choice for larger homes and pet owners. So there you have it, folks. The RoboVac 11S Max is a budget-friendly, quiet little helper, while the X8 Pro is the high-tech, turbocharged cleaning machine. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more product showdowns. Until next time, keep it clean and buy smart. Product links are in the description.